Hello and greetings to you out there, guys, and welcome to this part of the training where I'll be walking you through some basic settings you need to do on your event manager. When you get to your event manager, like the last time when we configured Pixel to your website, we use event manager. We set up an event, we test the event, we add our website to allow list and all of that. So there are some few basic settings, not that too much, but they are very important settings that if you don't set them properly, it might not allow your event manager to work well. Okay, so we'll be seeing most of these settings and we'll be turning them on, just a kind of turning on. It's not something too much, so you want to stick to this video from the beginning to end. So let's start the tutorial properly. So once you get to your Facebook, business.facebook.com, don't forget, so we are always starting from here so that will not get confused. We are beginners now, we are learning. So we want to start from scratch and always navigate properly till we get mastered on this matter. So once you get here, as usual, you want to navigate to all tools. Remember, we want to go to our event manager. That is where we want to do some settings on the event manager, so don't forget. So getting to our event manager, we want to click on all tools. I hope you remember. So once you click on all tools, you navigate to event manager. It's up here. All right, so event manager will automatically open either on a new tab depending on your browser. Okay, so once event manager opens, we are going to look at the basic settings. All right, now once event manager opens like this is the dashboard this is the overview of event manager. Remember that our pixel that we installed, JD Design Pixel, the pixel has total of 0 events. It has not received event yet. Okay, but that is not what we are here for. We want to click on this second one. Want to click on this second tool here. All right, the second one there, that is the event. All right, that is actually the event manager there. So we want to see the overview of the data set. We want to see the settings, right, of this our event manager. So once you get here, our pixel is waiting for event activity. It has not gotten event yet, but we are here to do settings. Always make sure to look up here and see the settings that are here. All right, make sure to look up here. You see this bar? That is where you should always master. So anything you want to set on this event manager, you go to settings. If you want to test event, you go to test event. If you want to go to history of event, overview, they are all there. Okay, for now we want to do setting. You click on setting. All right, now let's see the few settings, those things we can turn on. So these are all the settings. These are all the settings we can set. Remember, we came here and we added our website to the allowed list that you can still see here now. Okay, you can still remember this place, so it's one of the settings. Okay, so let's see other settings that we can do properly. All right, now the first one is automatic website matching. It's on, it should be on. All right, so that your website can match all the informations and tracking activities of these persons from web automatically. All right, now event setup tool. All right, track events automatically without code. Yes, this should be turned on. Right, that is another setting we should turn on. It should track automatically without code. Yes. All right, so let's continue. Let's see another setting we can set. Allow historical conversion upload, no. Let's see other representation, no. All right, I think that's all the. All right, auto tracking. Yeah, we see auto tracking down here. It's a very important settings that we need to set up. So auto tracking, turning on auto tracking allows your campaign to use offline events from this data set for ad tracking and event attribution. Yes, don't worry, you will understand this more better when we be running the campaign normally. On the ad level of the ad campaign you'll be creating, there is where you'll be seeing tracking under. So that tracking will be automatically, your pixel will automatically appear there. But if you do not send this auto tracking and add the ad account, it will not appear automatically, and it will make some big kind of confusion, and it will bring problem to your conversion. So we select add account. We are going to select toggle on this our JD designs. We know we already have an add account, so we are going to select our add account and click on save. All right, so we have automatically added updated auto tracking success. So we have added our ad account to auto tracking. You want to refresh this page. All right, so what we have just done now has given our ad account automatic access to the pixel to track all the events that is in the pixel. Do you understand now? So our ad account will be tracking. All right, so you can see now that it has appeared there. Ad account auto tracking JD Designs ad account is added. Okay, can you see down here? It's what I'm saying here. So our ad account has been added to the auto tracking. So these few are the basic settings that you will be doing for now. Then when we set up the conversion API, we'll still come back here and do some settings. But for now, that is the settings, the primary settings you need to set up on your event manager. So when we configuring the conversion API, there are other more settings still in here that we will set up. Okay, so that is that for today's tutorial in this lesson. So kindly give a thumbs up to this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. Remember to turn on your bell notification to get notified on every valuable content like this I drop. Okay, bye guys for now, and see you on the next one.